Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting comparison for you between two popular toiletry bags, the Gravel Toiletry Bag and the Nomatic Toiletry Bag. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just need a reliable bag for your essentials, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Design and build quality. Both the Gravel and Nomatic toiletry bags boast high-quality designs, but there are some key differences. The Gravel bag features a rugged and durable exterior, made from water-resistant materials, ensuring your items stay dry even in wet conditions. The Nomatic bag, on the other hand, offers a sleek and minimalistic design with waterproof zippers, giving it a more polished look.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Size and capacity. When it comes to size, the Gravel bag is slightly larger, offering more space for your toiletries. It has multiple compartments, including a spacious main compartment and several smaller pockets for better organization. The Nomatic bag, while more compact, is ingeniously designed with elastic mesh pockets and a toothbrush pocket to maximize its storage capacity without taking up too much space in your luggage. Organization and accessibility. Organization is key for any toiletry bag. The Gravel bag excels with its multiple compartments, mesh pockets, and elastic loops, making it easy to organize your items. Plus, it has a removable TSA-approved pouch for liquids, which is super convenient. The Nomatic bag also shines in this category, featuring a unique hanging design that allows you to access all your items without having to lay the bag flat. This makes it perfect for small bathroom spaces. Portability. Both bags are designed with portability in mind. The Gravel bag comes with a sturdy handle, making it easy to carry around. Its slightly larger size might take up more space in your luggage, but it can hold more items. The Nomatic bag is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for minimalist travelers or those with limited packing space. Durability. Durability is crucial for toiletry bags that will be used frequently. The Gravel bag's rugged construction and high-quality zippers ensure it can withstand rough handling and frequent travel. The Nomatic bag, while also durable, focuses on sleek design and high-quality materials, offering a refined look that can handle the demands of travel. Special features. The Gravel bag comes with a unique feature, a removable and washable interior liner, which is great for keeping your bag clean and hygienic. The Nomatic bag includes a detachable TSA-approved pouch for liquids, which is a huge plus for air travelers. Both bags offer thoughtful features that cater to different needs. Price and value. Price is always a consideration. The Gravel bag is priced slightly higher, but it offers more space and additional compartments. The Nomatic bag, while more affordable, provides excellent value for its compact design and innovative features. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific needs and budget. On screen. So, which toiletry bag should you choose? If you need a bag with more space and don't mind spending a bit more, the Gravel Toiletry Bag is an excellent choice. However, if you prefer a compact, stylish, and highly functional bag at a lower price point, the Nomatic Toiletry Bag is a fantastic option. Both bags are top-notch and cater to different travel styles. Thank you for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel gear reviews. Let us know in the comments which toiletry bag you prefer or if you have any other recommendations. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.